one more ride before I send it to Kosciuszko. Make sure that everything can be broken, gets broken before the race. Now, we were supposed to be in Tenterfield this weekend, track cutting for the Tenterfield Terror, but there's a big rain event coming again, so probably put a stop to that because I can't have all them guys coming down and not being able to get in or out of the property. Anyway, any training's training. Out on the new... Where's Brucey gone now? Oh, here he comes. Out training on the new to me bike. Feeling super sweet. Oh, time for some creek training, folks. Wow, it's like a different creek. Oh shit. Well, the creek has completely changed from the floods at John's place. So we're going to see up there and go back towards his house and see if this is a natural track now that we can make. Let's go, Brucey. Yeah. We gotta get over there first. Maybe I'll go into this hole there and then go around. Yeah. Oh, a bit of a zap required. See if this old body has got a zap left in it. Hopefully one more. Wow, this is insane. Yeah, that might be difficult. Shit. Oh, I got wet boots now, Brucey. Yourself into. Now I gotta get out of it. Alright, Smogo.
A few moments later.
That's sick. That's like lazy noon. Might try and zap it up there. This bit's going to be interesting. It's got to be one movement. Yeah. Might be really good. Pioneering we are, Brucey. What are we doing? This looks nasty. Oh, see if we can get up here with the zap. Well, we got pretty far making a new track called this Lazy Noon. That's enough for today though. Got to get back, so we're gonna go up into the bush there, make a down track, and I think John will be happy with what we've done. All right, let's get out of this hellhole. Oh. Why couldn't I done that the first time? Alright, Brucey's making the down track. It's getting a bit thick here, Brucey. Oh, that was rocky as hell. Oh, this is horrible with the rocks. Alright, we made it. Back down to the creek. Quick creek run, up the hills, back to the van. Home time. Alright, Brucey, see if I can keep up with you. Gotta love a creek section. Oh, he's on it now. Oh no! Yeah! I went too far. What the hell was that, Burnsy? Luckily no one saw that. Brucey killed it! Very nice! Oh, another episode done and dusted. I reckon the next time we talk will be after Kosciuszko. First race of the season, look out! I'm not ready, but who is? Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
No, she ain't getting the key to my lair. Those are my clear. I don't see something you bear. How she a bear? I'm talking.